Start rolling the dice and spinning the wheel. We are about to hit the jackpot. Hi, I'm Charles Phoenix. Join me live online April 30th for Las Vegasland, a dazzling time travel extravaganza exploring the most electrifying place on the planet. Bask in the glorious glow of it all, from the dusty cowboy town beginnings to the glamorous mid-century modern casinos of the legendary Las Vegas Strip, out of this world super signage, themed environments, sensational showgirls, sparkling swimming pools, the lucky tourists who were there, and more galore. Purchase your watch-on-demand link now at charlesphoenix.com. And be prepared for your vintage Vegas spirit to soar like it never has before.